Yes, friend. This is a simple question to be asked in interview that how much salary do you expect? This is a very common question but has very important reason behind it that how much salary do you expect? So in this video we will learn what answer we should give on this question. I will suggest you two answers on this question which will help you to get the job because it will show how much idea is clear in your mind on this question. So let's start the video. Well, friends, first of all, thanks you Lord for my previous video. You showed your love, and I like very much that all of you are liking my video on this session. Okay, on this series. So very first, during your interview, the interviewer analyze you. After asking too many questions, he asks you simple question but has very great way. What is the question? The question is that how much salary do you expect? So on this question, your answer should be very rigid in form. What does it mean? That you should not tell the right figure, because if you will tell the right figure, that suppose you have gone in interview in a particular company, and there suppose the salary for the particular position which you applied there is offering near about 15 to 20,000, and the interviewer will ask you how much salary do you expect for this job, and suppose you would say, sir, I am expecting 10,000 rupees, then the above 5,000 or the 10,000 rupees will be lost. You will lose that money. So never express a right amount, a particular figure amount, okay, because it also shows that you count yourself on the amount, on that amount. That is that your capability, that you can only obtain 10,000 rupees, 15,000 rupees or 20,000 rupees. So never express particular amount. So what should answer? Okay, what will be the right answer? So I will suggest right now to answer on this question. The very first answer it would be, you can say in a general form. Suppose I am interviewer and I ask you how much salary do you expect on this job. So I will not say directly. I will say before answer, sir, I would like to tell you something about on this thing. Sir, before coming to this interview, I have done a quite research that how much salary is offered for this position, and I came to know that it company offer for this position around 20,000 to 30,000 rupees. On my capability, I am expecting that you will offer me between 22 to 25,000. So that's I expect about it. What will happen, friend, when you will answer this question? What will happen? The interviewer will start analyzing you. He would think that you have come here after doing not quite but very rigorous research, and he or she came to know that you are actually very awakened person. Okay, you have got all the information about this job. So on this question, on this answer of the question, he would have to select you. Yes, he will select you definitely. And then what is another answer of this question? The another answer can be, sir, I would like to get a salary between 20,000 to 30,000. See, simple answer of simple question. I would like to expect salary between 20,000 to 30,000. Okay, so interviewer will again calculating about your salary expectation, because you answered there 20,000 to 30,000. Okay, it's just a simple salary betweenness. Okay, salary betweenness for the particular position. So he will start calculating it, and maybe you will select it. If you will select it, he will offer more than 20,000 but the less than 30,000. Okay, so as this way you will obtain that job, because the job procurement is a very difficult task in interview, because there are too many competitor for you. So when you go to interview, first of all, do preparation of everything, listen everything, okay, about the company information, company product and services, company revenue, company past performance, okay, what is your job role, and along with that, be ready for this answer. Okay, I hope you will like this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon, okay, and please share this video to your friend. Thank you. We will meet in next video.